Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make an animated background like the one behind me right now. To start, you're gonna need a pattern and duplicate it. Then you're gonna make a new timeline, frame rate 30 and 120 frames for about 4 seconds, but you can play around with the amount of frames, though I recommend leaving the frame rate at 30. Lower the opacity of one of the patterns to about 50. Now you're gonna add the parameters that are these symbols right here. There are 3 types of keyframes. For an endless and seamless loop, you need a linear one. Add one at the beginning and one at the end. While having the last keyframe selected, go to the object tool and move the pattern in the way you want the pattern to go, but lining it up with the duplicate pattern at the end. And now you've got an endless looping pattern. Now I'm just going to show you the different keyframes and some of the fun things you can add in front of it. Anyway, I hope this was helpful in any way. Thanks for watching and bye!